Hola, Stephanie Vara here, Organizer Chick from Houston, Texas. Going to give you a few tips on how to keep your closet organized and clean. Now, a closet is a huge thing to tackle, and I know a lot of people struggle with it, so here's some easy tips. First of all, you're going to start from the floor up. If you have any clothes, dirty clothes, shoes, anything, take everything out. You want to bring in the vacuum, give it a good vacuum, a good clean, a good dust. Make sure that anything on the floor is out, clean and fresh. So from then you can take your clothes that you've taken out, sort it by color, sort it by style, and that leads to the next step to getting you organized in here, which is your clothes. So what I've done is you can either sort by your clothes by color, style, or you can do it with both, and that's what I've done. Here you go. If you look into my closet, which you're getting a sneak peek at my closet, yes. Here you go. I have my bright reds, my pinks, my reds, my blacks, my whites, and it's all done by shirt style. So when I come home and I'm tired or I decide not to wear that, I can just throw it back. Move on. I've also got my skirts categorized by long and short, and then on this side over here I have my dresses, which are done by color as well. So from there you're going to take a look at your shoes. After you've gotten everything organized, put back up on the hanger, put back in the style or color that you want, you're going to look at your shoes, which are another thing to tackle in your closet. And I know if you're like me, you have tons of pairs of shoes. So from here I went into my closet and I got a shoe rack. So as you can see, this is the rack that I chose. Of course, you can go to any store you want to, and there's 500 different types of styles, rack styles for your shoes. As I have them here, I've organized them by peep toe, larger toe. Up here I also have them done by wedges. And my closet came with its own built-in rack, which I've utilized some of it to use for my shoes. So this is the rack, and I just hung each pair by the heel, and so you can still see, and it gives you a variety. Now if you're done with the racks and you've been there, done that, I also bought a cubby hole organizer, which I have on this side of my closet. So as you can see here, I bought a cubby hole organizer for my shoes. These are great because you can fit about 2 pairs of shoes in each cubby hole. The most important thing about your shoes in these cubbies is to have one shoe in front of the other. So of course, if you see in this cubby, one shoe is in front, one shoe is in back, one shoe is in front, one shoe is in back, and it enables you to see each pair or what shoe is in each cubby and look and fast and quickly. These cubbies are also actually great for your shorts and your t-shirts and tank tops that you don't want to put on a hanger. They're good for workout clothes, your sneakers. They're very versatile and inexpensive, and they fit in almost every single closet. So these are some great tips on how to keep your closet organized and clean. The best tip that I can give you is to have a place for everything in your closet. It makes everything super easy and fast and organized.